Hello everyone, welcome to the Blessed Tech. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to participate on Somnia on Testnet. Alright, please, we have to do a lot of things here. So once you click on the link, it will bring you up here to ask you to connect your wallet. Alright, as you can see, my wallet is being connected. So the next thing I need to do here, we need to do perform some task. Alright, so we're going to perform some task. So you click on this start quest first before we go to the main testnet. All right, click on it. So this is the task we're going to perform here. So the first task, second task. So let's see this one. Let's click on this. Currently, like the quest is having little challenge, network challenge. So we're waiting to the next. Let's just go back. Let's just go to the main testnet. All right. Let's see it apply something like that. Let's see. Okay. So what we're going to need here, we're going to click on apply. Is it apply or build? Let's find out and see. Don't click on apply. Just let's go scroll down a little. You see where they said request and token. Then you send to a friend. Okay, you can send to yourself. Well, let's send to a friend is better. So let's go back here. So once you click on request token, you have to connect your wallet. Connect your wallet. So once your wallet is being connected, you click on get on SCT. All right. So let's see. Click on send tokens. Then click on amount. You can do randomly or send to yourself. Okay, let me just select random. You can see the thing has pop up for me. I'll click on send STT. Let me see. All right. See what it did here. Approve. Then it will show successful. All right. So you'll be doing this transaction daily. Be doing it together daily. All right. So that you get more of this. Then you can click down here to jump to the quest and do your quest, and that's all. Connect to your Discord. Join Discord. Let's see. Join this. Okay, I have to join Discord. So I think that is all for now. Okay, just do the task daily, like sending out and receiving, sending out, also requesting for faucets. That's all. Okay. Particular spot here, you can perform short task. All right, but I'll be doing this particular video. I'll be doing swapping. Okay, let's do some swap. You can see people are claiming points and all of that. Let's see. Like I have a 70 points, right? Okay, for some short tasks I performed at that time. All right. Error may occur and blah blah blah. But let me click on testnet. Okay, it take me to Somnia Testnet fees. So what I need to do now, just scroll down a little. Then you click on this icon here. Click on here to get token. Click on here to send. Then the other one to get to mute. All right. It wants to connect your wallet. Connect your wallet. I'm making use of Brave browser. Brave, because I prefer using Brave browser because very fast. Alright, once you connect your Brave browser, because I'm making use of Brave browser, is very fast. Click on request. Alright, then it pop up this way. Click on request, then you got it. It's every 24 hours. Then here to send, then here to swap. Alright, it is, for example, click on send tokens, right? Then I'll select a particular token I want to send. Alright, I can put my address, or if you touch down, you will see random address. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Random address over here. Okay. Then it's going to generate address for me. Click on send. Alright. You're going to pop up approve. Alright. So you have sent. For me, I'll be doing this thing. I'll be doing it 10 times daily. I'll be sending 10 times daily because I don't know the criteria I'm going to use. Then click on this swap here. Alright. You're going to ask you to mute a token. I already mute my Alright, so I have the token ready. So you can see muted. Then I'll be swapping. I'll swapping like 10 or like 20. I'll be swapping. Alright. It will ask me to approve. Alright. So the next thing to ask me to swap. Okay, I'll swap now. Then approve. As you can see, that's been done. Okay, I can keep on swapping. That's all. Alright, so you have to be swapping and also sending tokens. Alright, because that's the fast way to get into this particular testing technique. Because I don't really know what particular criteria I'm going to use here, but I prefer we keep on swapping, sending out tokens, testnet to random people. Alright, so that's all.